Remedies presents
How to make this 2-ingredient weight loss tea. A hot cup of bay leaf can be very comforting. The aromatic fragrance that the leaves release is calming, and the essence of the spiced tea makes bay leaf tea delicious. Bay leaf shows promising results for any weight loss remedy. Bay leaf contains enzymes that help to break down proteins and digest food faster, helping to calm indigestion. When combined with powerful cinnamon, the two make the perfect pair for a tea that will burn a stubborn fat and keep it off. Let's see how to make this fat loss tea. Ingredients: 3 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon or 1 piece of stick, 3 cups of water. Instructions: boil the water and add bay leaves and cinnamon to it. Let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain and enjoy. You can add honey or lemon for taste. You can save your remaining tea in the fridge. You can have it 2 to 3 times a day. Take the first cup as soon as you wake up, the second after breakfast, and the third before sleeping. Continue for a week and see the results.
If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.